Hello students. Today I'll discuss about the rules of subject verb agreement. Writing grammatically correct takes us to a greater height. A few rules I have mentioned here. These rules are: rule number 1: if two singular nouns indicate one thing, then that compound subject is taken as a singular subject and it takes singular verb. For example, rice and curry is my favorite food. A horse and carriage is ready for us. The rise and fall is caused by the storm. All coming and going was forbidden. Slow and steady wins the race. Here you see, we have used is with rice and curry, again is with horse and carriage, again is with rise and fall, was that is with coming and going, and wins that is with slow and steady. Now rule number 2: many a is always followed by singular countable noun and singular verb. For example, many a man wants to get rich very quickly. Many a woman wants to look beautiful. Now rule number next: many things depend upon countable and uncountable noun and take verb accordingly. For example, all horses are animals, but all the money was lost. Here you see horses are countable, and that's why we have used here are, and money is uncountable, that's why we have used here was. Half of the mangoes are good. Here mangoes are countable, so that's why we have used here are. Half of the milk was there. Milk is uncountable, that's why we have used here was. Now next rule: many words are there in English which are always used in singular and take singular verbs. For example, luggage, furniture, advice, information, food, knowledge, equipment, fruit, apparatus, behavior, scenery, traffic, electricity, dust, music, progress, weather, nonsense. Rule number 5: if two singular subjects are joined with either or, neither nor, or as well as, then we use singular verb. For example, either Sonu or Monu has done it. Neither the boy nor the girl was there. Rajiv as well as Mukul is intelligent. Here we see we have used here singular verb. But there is an exception with as well as. You see here, if two subjects, first is plural and second is singular, are joined with as well as, then verb takes place according to first subject. For example, my parents as well as I were present there. Now rule number next. Rule number 6 it is: if two subjects are joined with not only but also, then verb takes place according to the last subject. For example, not only but also his parents were present there. Here we have used were as per his parents. Now, rule number 7: although here is singular, the plural of here that is also plural. But if it is countable, then we use plural verb. For example, her hair is grey, but 5 hairs on his head are grey. Rule number 8: the plural of fish is fish, but we use fishes as plural form also when it refers to different species. For example, many fishes like bassa, trout, and salmon are swimming in water. Or we may say bassa, trout, and salmon are fishes. Now rule number 9: a lot of, lots of, plenty of. Meaning of these words are many. These words take singular as well as plural verb. If uncountable noun comes after these words, then it takes singular verb. For example, a lot of milk is in the glass, lots of rice was there, plenty of water is there in jug. Here you say milk, rice, water. These are uncountable noun, and that's why we have used here is and was. Now you see the use of plural verb. A lot of girls play here. Lots of girls play here. Plenty of oranges are there in the bag. Here girls and oranges, these are countable, and that's why we have used here plural verb. Now rule number next. When a plural number is used before distances, weights, heights, or amounts of money, then it represents a single figure or quantity. It is treated as a singular and takes a singular verb. For example, 7 kilometers is a short distance. 11 years is a long time. 50 rupees is not a big amount. 5,500 rupees is my school fee. 2 kilos of rice costs about 200 rupees. Here you see 70 kilometers, 11 years, 50 rupees, 5,500 rupees, and 2 kilos of rice. These represent a single figure or quantity, and that's why here we have used singular verb. Students, I do hope that you must have liked my video. In next video, I'll share list of the rules. Thank you. Have a nice day.